all free crypto airdrop for Telegram users. Let's play you how to sign in.
Okay guys, we have free crypto airdrop again. Click the link below guys to sign in to check your rewards. Click start. Then play now. Click play now. Then start. Let's see how many tokens that I receive. It's loading, baby. Okay, let's go. Click let's go. Then account verified. Okay, you remember what 1 year ago. Okay, click continue. Okay, I just received 1,180 ducks. Okay, click OK. Okay, subscribe to our channel. Okay, later. Okay, we received 1,180 guys. So, if you are a Telegram user, additional bonus. Okay, this is the free crypto airdrop guys. Sign in and check your rewards. Okay guys. Click here. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Calculating. Okay, we got it, guys. Rising star 1, 2, 6, 7.